Here I have Motorola Moto G72, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to photos, and then go to the watermark. So here you can enable timestamp and also device watermark. And now let's take some photo just to see an example how these watermarks will look like. So here you have shot on Moto G72 and also today's date and time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.